Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl Cancha, and I'm going to use this super adorable strawberry sticker sheet from Pleasantly Planned along with her inspirational quotes. I do have my Simply Smith script stickers along with my grid washi and my Zig Clean color dot. So let's go ahead and get the pages out. And of course, I already went ahead and laid down my washi strip. And actually, the other day, I completely forgot to lay down my washi. So that was like super random and just crazy pants. But I went ahead and did it this time. So I think that we're good. So I think what I want to do now is probably lay down some of these quotes. So because it is like a fun little strawberry sticker sheet, I thought that this one would be good. Grow positive thoughts, and then every day is a fresh start. So I feel like those are perfect in this case. So I want to lay these down first. And then remember that I'll go ahead and link all of the shops down in the description box below. And I will link my affiliate or any discount codes. That way you guys can save money on your orders. There is just so many things happening over with Casey from Pleasantly Planned. So make sure that you guys check her out. She has printable stickers now, which is amazing. Lately, I've been so into printable stickers. It's just so convenient to be able to print and cut at home. And then even if you don't have like a cutting machine like a Cricut or Silhouette, you can still cut them out like freehand and fussy cut them. So yeah, don't be intimidated by that. It's just super convenient to have those printable stickers, and then you're just able to print as many sticker sheets and then resize them. And there's just so many like good things about printables. So yeah, she has printables and she has like a sticker subscription as well. So yeah, definitely check her out. She is just doing all kinds of amazing things. Okay, so now let me see. So I'm looking at this right here, and I'm thinking that this one would be perfect like down here at the bottom. I love the way that she's just like holding it. So I'm going to angle this to where the cup is like straight. Hopefully, I mean as straight as I can get it. Okay, so not too terrible. And then of course I would like to do the same thing. So here we have another hand, and this one is of course gonna go in the same little corner but on the right hand page. Let's see, as far as the right hand page, I don't go all the way to the discs. I kind of just keep it like right here, kind of like this one. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead and trim off the little excess. Perfect. That way I don't like bother with the discs and stuff. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So then, let's see. I am looking at this cute little bow, and I really want to put it over here. I did lay down the washi. I might have to pull it up. And it's actually like the same pattern or close to it, right? So let's see. I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull this up. Okay, perfect. So now let's see how it would look over here. I just love the fact that it's like a bow. I think it looks super adorable. Okay, there we go. So yeah, just like right over here. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that looks so pretty. All right, and then let's see. We have so many cute little stickers to work with. All right, so maybe let me see. I'm trying to think. So let's grab this one and see where it'll look better, right? Because I'm thinking either down where my water intake goes or like over here where my bills do and Apple Watch stats go. So either here or here. I think maybe over here. This is a bigger sticker, so I might put it on this side and just trim off just a little bit. That way I trim straight instead of dealing with the disc area. I just don't like really messing with that and doing the punch and all of that. I just feel like one day I'm just gonna mess up the punch and that's really going to bother me. So I try not to mess with that area. Unless I do like maybe like the whole sheet. I don't know. I just don't like it. So yeah, this works out much better. So I have a little scrap. Maybe I could use it. So yeah, these stickers definitely caught my eye because we are supposed to have really, really nice weather these next 2 days. I believe it's going to be in the 80s. So yeah, that is really good weather. We had amazing weather for Easter, which was really nice. And so we're just going to continue and have even better weather these next 2 days. So there is that. Let's see. So I'm looking at these like individual stickers. Like the strawberries maybe sprinkled in like this. Yeah, I think that would look nice. But as far, I really like this like cone. I'm trying to figure out where I could place it. Maybe here. Okay, let me just go ahead and grab it. Because sometimes I don't know exactly what I want to do until I'm like here sitting down and filming, and then that way I can see and like kind of place them and maneuver them to see what would look best. So yeah, I'm kind of thinking like this. I think that would be great. This is my bills due area, so I don't need a lot of writing space. Here, I do need all of the writing space because that is where I write my Apple Watch stats. So I do a lot of writing there. So yeah, definitely don't want to cover that up. I am trying to look for my tweezers, but of course, I have a mess. I never put anything away and I can never find them, but here they are underneath all of those stickers. So let's see. I'm trying not to get into the punch. Okay, so yeah, right about there. Perfect. And then, okay. So I don't think I'm going to be able to use all of the stickers because there is a lot. And they're pretty big because this is her large sticker sheet. And these are her large quotes as well. Usually I do like her small quote sticker sheet. But in this case, I have the large one. And it just fills up the area. So not too bad either. So I'm thinking that maybe I can place that one there. Let's see. I am really loving this jar of strawberries. Let me see. Okay, I think I want to do the jar and maybe place it. I was thinking here. And maybe off to the side just a little bit because it is a big sticker sheet. Or maybe what if I cut it down just a little bit? Are we still going to be able to see what it is? Because I don't want to put it off to the side and cut it like this one. I just think there's going to be too much things going on over here. So I think I'm just going to cut it. Because whether I cut it down here or off to the side, I am still going to cut it. So how about we end up cutting the bottom of it and then just placing it right over here. That way it's centered. Okay, yeah, that looks so good. And then I still have this small little line to write any bills due, which is not too many. So that's why I'm not opposed to like really covering up that area. And then do we want to use, yeah, these are really big stickers, so I don't think that I want to do that. I might be done with the decorative stickers, so let's just go ahead and maybe use some strawberries over here. Okay, so there's that one. There's some that are more red than the other one, so maybe this one could go here. And then let's just trim this a little bit off. Perfect. Okay, so let me see. Let's see where we can place this other one. Maybe like this. Okay, yeah, that looks good. And then, okay, let's figure out where we can place this other one. I don't want to leave it behind just because it's the last one. So what about if we put it here? Yeah, I think that would be a good place for it. Or maybe here. Or even here. What could we do? Let me see. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do it on this side. I really like the way that it looks over here. Okay, perfect. So as far as these ones, I don't know. I mean, I could try to squeeze them in somewhere, but at the same time, I don't want it to be too cluttered. If I do this one here, yeah, I just think that it's going to be way too much over here. Ooh, look at this. How would it look up here? I could try putting them up here, but I don't know. Let's just go ahead and keep chugging along, and let's go ahead and add our script stickers and our Zip Clean Color Dot, and then see how we feel about it after we are like 90% done with the spread. So then this one would go here. And then our to-dos. Okay, there we go. So then this one would go here. This one, I think, would go here. That looks really good. I love this bow. Okay, so then we are going to do Apple Watch stats. So that's this little area here. So that's why I don't tend to add any stickers here, because I need all of these lines. Okay, there we go. And then my bill due stickers. so this one is just gonna go right over here and then here. So now let's go ahead and add our zip clean color dots. So this took a little bit more of this top area, so I'm going to start with 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, that's it. I was going to go down to 5, but we have that little sticker there. So then this one, yeah, this one we can start at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5. And then our water intake, 4 of those, and that means 1 counts for 2. Okay, so perfect. Oh my gosh, this is looking so cute. And I was wondering if I could maybe use my script washi, maybe like down here, or would that be too much? I kind of want to try it, but I'm only going to use a little bit because this is a smaller area. So maybe if I like trim this down in half, like add a cute little touch without overpowering it, maybe that would look cute. All right, so maybe like right there. Yeah, see, that looks cute. So then let me do this little edge. Okay, perfect. So now let me see, how would this go? Yeah, this way. And then this one is gonna go right over here. Yeah, that looks really good. I like that. Okay, so as far as these ones, did I want to do one of these? I feel like something is missing over here. So how about we try to do the little basket? Just because like those cups are white, so I think that it would blend in. So yeah, I think I'm just off to the side. Okay, yes, perfect. All right, so I think all we're gonna do is just trim this off, and I think that we're gonna be done. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that filled up this little area a little bit better, which is what I wanted. So let's go ahead and put the pages back. Here is my planner. And these were such fun little stickers to work with. I am loving the pink vibes. Even though I didn't use a lot of pink, I went more with like the green tones just because it already had like a lot of pink going on, so I really wanted to bring in the green colors of these stickers. And yeah, I think it looks so cute. Make sure that you guys check the description down below so you guys can save money on your order. But for now, I really love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.